Yep, we got it. Hey everybody, welcome back.
Hello everybody, welcome
2K
back.
Awesome, episode 18. Lucky 18. No, it's Lucky 13 or Bad Lucky 13. But today we have a bunch of great guests. Sue Bird, WNBA great. We got KYLO REN from Star Wars is going to be here with us today. And then all of us, obviously, as we have the Milwaukee Bucks 70-71 team, Kareem ABDUL-JABBAR, the guy that has scored the most points ever in the NBA. Scored more than Michael Jordan, Karl Malone, LeBron James, Kobe Bryant.
LeBron James is not done.
No, true. LeBron James will probably catch him. But for right now, he is the all-time leader scorer. Look at him right there. That's Kareem there with the striped socks and the white Adidas. My Adidas.
They all are straight up.
That is true.
Why are they all wearing Converse? Converse are not basketball shoes.
These are what they wore in the 70s.
Converse are not basketball.
But in the 70s, they used to wear those sneakers. They're called Chuck Taylors. They used to wear those all the time.
They're called Converse.
Yeah, but they're the Converse, kind of like they have different styles of LeBrons. Like they got the Soldiers and all these other sneakers. They used to call those the Converse, and they used to call Chuck Taylors.
Interesting facts.
Yeah, if you care for them. But I see Kareem is the only one wearing my Adidas. Gotta play that for Run DMC. Ooh, Spurs. Current Spurs.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications.
Oh, and predictions. Predictions. Anybody?
I predict
Kareem. Milwaukee. As do I.
No,
I actually,
you're bad.
No, I'm getting it right this time. I mean, I didn't get the last one wrong. I predicted the Lakers to beat the Pistons. I mean, a blind man could have done that one. Yeah, of course, but I'm just saying. I got that one right. I'm not that much of a bad luck. But I am predicting the Bucks in this one. I mean, Kareem ABDUL-JABBAR is the greatest. Okay, all right, sorry. Hey, we're gonna have a lot of fun today. I can't wait to see this KYLO REN interview because KYLO REN, if you've been watching Star Wars for the last couple of years, awesome. I mean, at some point we got to bring on Darth Vader and KYLO REN. That would be as his 2K Awesome. Yeah, they are. Yeah, it's like his grandfather. It's his grandfather.
No, Princess Leia's father.
Oh God, here we go.
She gave birth to KYLO.
Yeah,
it's grandfather.
Here it is. Here it is. Trying to figure out
we need 2K Nerd for this.
Yeah, I know. We're trying to figure it all out. Yes, it's his grandfather because Princess Leia is Darth Vader's daughter, as is Luke Skywalker, and Princess Leia and Han Solo, their son is KYLO REN.
And then KYLO REN.
Yeah, in the first one. Oof, Kareem misses. I might be the mush. Who knows? Hey, we ready to
don't forget to go follow our Instagram, Twitter, Facebook at 2K Awesome.
You did say that already. Okay. DeRozan, bang! From the baseline. 4-2 Spurs. Okay, all right. I actually need that microphone for our recording studio at one point, so I don't need it being dropped every 2 seconds, because that's what everybody happens to keep doing. Kareem misses. Sue Bird, ready?
Yep.
All right, let's bring her on. Let's bring on WNBA great, our friend, Sue Bird. Anyway.
Hello, everybody.
Hey, Sue, what's going on?
Stuff.
WNBA is going well?
Yeah.
Playing with Seattle?
It's good.
We're proud of you. We've been big fans. I've been a big fan since the time you were at UConn, playing with Gino Amaroa. Hey, we know you're a Long Island great, and we know, we got roots here in Long Island for 2K
for
Awesome.
some reason I'm looking off into the distance.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I know. What's over there? Oh, it's like something spiritual over there. Like a beam of light's going to shine out on you. So we know you're from Syosset.
Yep.
Nassau County, Long Island. We love to hear that. Went to Christ the King in Queens. So tell us what it was like growing up here on Long Island.
You know, it was like every typical kid, you know, go to the park, play, shoot some hoops, play one-on-ones with other kids that you find there.
Okay.
Pick up games.
Did you always feel like you were destined to be in the WNBA?
It was my dream.
Okay.
All through my life.
Cool. I heard there was a story as a 6th grader, someone asked for your autograph.
That is true.
That sounds sick. I can't imagine somebody asked for my autograph when I was in 6th grade for basketball. That's amazing. How did that make you feel?
That made me really feel accomplished and that I might actually fulfill my dream.
All right, cool. So, obviously you went on, you played basketball at Christ the King High School in Queens, playing in Syosset, doing all that. Then you went on to UConn, probably one of the best women basketball programs in the country. I believe that. Tell us about what it was playing at UConn up there in Storrs, Connecticut.
UConn was fun. It's a really big campus, so you know you gotta drive around, take some golf carts, you know.
Golf carts, okay.
Drive around in a golf cart.
All right.
It's a big campus, you know, a lot of kids, you know, small acceptance rate.
All right. So you gotta be smart to get in there.
Or you gotta get a scholarship like me.
There you go. All right. So after you went to UConn, you get drafted by the WNBA. Get drafted into the WNBA.
That was a lot of sports programs in there. That was like a MLB, WNBA, NBA. All that.
Some linguistics issues. And then obviously you had a chance to play in the Olympics, Team USA, playing for your country. Talk about that a little bit.
You know, it was always my dream to be a WNBA, and I never thought I would like get there one day. And you know, being in the Olympics was like so fun because you know. Yeah,
I can imagine, and representing your country, and I mean that sounds awesome.
Country.
Yeah, representing the United States of America. So I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. So, last one for me, and I know you've been great to be here, Sue, and we thank you. What are your thoughts on 2K Awesome? Like, who do you like? Laker team is stomping people. Bulls team's getting eliminated. Lakers, Celtics.
Wait, Bulls teams?
Bulls teams are getting eliminated left and right. I haven't seen one team advance except for the Zach LaVine team.
Then I have no idea.
So what about you?
I really thought Bulls teams.
I know.
Maybe the current.
I mean, I'm a 2K loser because I've been picking Bulls teams every single game and losing every single game. So, I don't know. So, what do you think? Lakers?
I think maybe the current Lakers.
Heat, Shaq's teams, maybe some Kobe teams.
Maybe one of the Kobe teams. Maybe the current Lakers. Some Shaq teams.
All right. Well, maybe.
Could you Kareem Abdul-Jabbar teams like?
All right. Well, hopefully we'll see what happens. But hey, Sue, I want to thank you for coming down, giving us a little time.
Thank you.
Appreciate you being on the show. Sue Bird, the WNBA, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe to the WNBA YouTube, social media pages. WNBA is it. Thank you very much, Sue. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Cool. Hey, 2K Girl is back. Milwaukee up, now tied.
I need to sit over there.
12-12. I know. This is like the timeout chair. It's like you're sitting
so
there.
bad.
Yeah, it's like there's no back. It's a
know.
stool.
Well, you know, it's not because of that. It's because I need my lighting.
Oh, well, it's like there's no cushion, and it's like really hard to sit there. So it's like really tough.
Well, you know, next up on the show.
I mean, we got Kylo Ren. We could probably wait a little bit because the Kylo Ren, we're going to spend a lot of time. I don't know what we're going to talk about with Kylo Ren because I don't think he actually knows anything about basketball. So it's just going to be wild just talking to him. So we'll bring him up probably with about like 2 minutes left in the half, and we'll go from there. Marco Bellinelli loses the ball. The Spurs are hanging around in this game. They might try to pull one out. Oh, White to the basket, misses. I mean, you would think the Bucks would be running up Oscar Robertson, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. But we're going to bring in Kylo Ren probably in about another minute and a half. So what did you think about Sue Bird?
I could see her from the green room, you know. I think she's a good role model for young girls.
Cool. I thought she was good. I mean, look, the fact that she's from Long Island, there's so many girls. Long Island is a hotbed for good girl basketball, and so many girls come out of here that end up going off to great places. And I thought she was a great role model for that. And we thank her for being on there. And make sure you, like I said, WNBA is a great product. I know a lot of people like to watch the NBA, but we love watching the WNBA. We go to watch the Liberty.
If you want to learn basketball, watch the WNBA, not the NBA.
Ooh, you heard it here first.
It's a better way to learn.
That's it.
The NBA is sometimes just for show. Sometimes they're showing off their skills or traveling.
Speak it, sister. Speak the truth. Amen.
One day, I believe.
Speak the truth on Sunday, sister.
Easter Sunday.
Oh, and today is Easter, even though we were recording it.
Even though you're not going to see them until like 2 weeks after Easter.
Or even longer, right? It's like episode 18. Like, we got a long way to go. We're only up to like...
Hey!
Oh, look, I told you, 2K boy, he's got to go get...
You would return.
He's got to go get Kylo Ren. Go get Kylo Ren, 2K boy. And we'll give you a go. I told you he was going to be able... He's got a sixth sense, 2K boy. He senses things like Spider-Man. He can tell when it's time for him to do what he's got to do to go get Kylo Ren, which we're going to have a lot of fun with in the end of this quarter, third quarter, and a little bit maybe going into the fourth quarter. Funny guy, or seriously funny guy for what we're trying to do. So it should be kind of cool. All right, Brian Forbes, Trey Lyles. Gives it up to Derrick Rosen, into the Aldridge. Misses. Okay, Kareem with the rebound. Allen pushing it up. Bucks are up 16-14. Bucks are struggling in this game. You would have thought with a championship caliber team, they would have taken the Spurs out team more easily. Cunningham. Oh, almost losing the ball. Steps out of bounds. I saw that, Cunningham. You can't deny that. 2:18 left in the first half.
I was just helping Kylo get ready.
Oh, Kylo's here already?
Yeah.
Oh my God! I hope he doesn't lightsaber us or try to hurt. Lightsaber? Is this what it's called? Lightsaber?
You gotta edit us with lightsabers, man.
Yeah, you can do that.
Yes.
Oh, foul on out. Uh-oh. Kylo Ren with the lightsaber. Okay, man, no beef. No beef. Okay. You're looking serious there, Kylo. I'm scared to ask. Is your team winning? I hope they are. Is your team win? Who do you like in this game? I'm guessing black and silver because it's the Spurs. Black and silver.
What should we call you? Kylo, Ren? Whatever, just don't say Ren. Please.
Which do you prefer to be called? Could we call you Kylo?
Okay, Kylo, first question.
Okay. You got it, man. You got it.
If you fought Darth Vader, who would win? You or Darth Vader? He's crusty.
He's an old crusty man. Okay. He's been dead too. Okay. All right.
You seem a little shady in Star Wars. Why is that? Are you just misunderstood?
It always seems like you're trying to like set somebody up or something like that.
I mean, but he did become kind of good in the last movie.
He did. Nope. We don't want to be spoilers, but yes, if you didn't see Rise of Skywalker, or you did see it, yes, he did become kind of good. But talk to us, Kylo. Or maybe not. Oh, we were saying, talk to us about. Are you a little shady in these Star Wars movies, or?
No. Shady.
I'm powerful.
You are powerful. Yo, I don't like the way you're holding that lightsaber, bro. Could you put that?
Shady.
Oh, nighttime. It's like the blue light.
What's that?
Come on, Kylo.
What's that?
Oh!
This is my team now.
The blue light was on. It was like Kylo was like this. He got his foot up in the air. He's like, yeah, Star Wars, yeah, Skywalker, what's up? Oh! Whoa! See, that's how 2K Girl went down last time. Girl down, girl
I
down.
got a bump on my head.
What happened? What happened, Kylo? I don't know. We're gonna be scared.
Strobe light.
We're gonna be scared. Oh, it's 2K boy.
Don't even think about coming near me.
You was sweating up in there, 2K boy. So wait a minute. Are you really Kylo Ren? Or is it you just pretending to be Kylo Ren? Halftime, y'all.
Okay then.
It's halftime. Milwaukee Bucks. They're in a fight today. Big time. Kylo, Kylo, before you heard us, we made predictions. Oh, what's going on? Kylo, we made predictions earlier. Talk to us. Would you pick the Bucks or the Spurs? Would you pick?
I picked the Milwaukee Bucks.
Spurs. Okay. I was asking that before. I wasn't too sure if I got an answer.
I picked the Milwaukee Bucks.
Ooh, you gotta be hot, Kylo Ren. Go get some water.
He's sweating. That's sweating.
Hey, Kylo Ren is killing it right now.
Ooh, strobe light.
You got me.
Don't even
Edit
think
blood,
about coming
edit
near
blood,
me.
edit blood.
Oh, blood. Okay. Oh, all right. You guys put a lot of edit demands on here.
We got some strobe lights.
Star Wars. Oh, we know we gotta get Kylo Ren. When you get rested, Kylo, you gotta kick a rap in that mask with that. Bucks up 24-18. Strobe light Kylo Ren game. Dark as could be.
I think Carter would choose the Bucks.
You choose the Bucks? Carter would choose the Bucks.
Oscar Robinson and Shaquem Abdul-Jabbar.
Who? Oh, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Yeah, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, Oscar Robinson, yeah. Cunningham. Yeah, they got a good team. Okay. Oh, gotcha. Dun, 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 dun.
What is this? What is this thingy majiggy?
Can you see out that mask? How many fingers up?
2.
Oh, Kylo Ren can't see. Oh, all right, Kylo. All right, man. I got a headache from you squeezing my head.
You lost my saber.
You dropped it on the ground, Kylo, like most things in life.
Okay, let's turn the lights. Or did you look at this?
We can bring it back for the fourth quarter. Maybe if we get our predictions right, because we all picked the Bucks, let's bring it back. We'll do a little. There you go. Kylo or 2K boy, you missed an awesome time with Kylo Ren. He was good. He was good.
I'm Kylo Ren.
Spoiler alert, Carter's Kylo Ren.
Oh, all right. I thought he was pretending to be Kylo Ren. All right, so he actually is Kylo Ren in the movie.
Slice.
Oh, I thought it delayed.
No, it's like this.
Oh.
Ow!
I'll go like this. Is it like with my head?
No, it's too short. No.
It is too short. We need like over the years, you guys have gotten lifesavers for like Christmas and stuff. Where are these lifesavers?
No, it's like that. It's like this.
Oh, we had one time where it gets smaller, like it stacks. No, not that one. It's like it's stacked.
Oh, I know.
And then as it goes in, it looks like it's really going into you. You gotta come back soon, Kylo Ren, because it's only 2 minutes. Oh no, it's only the third quarter. You're good. Jake Poto.
No, it's like this. It's like when you go like this. Ow!
Oh, you mean like delayed?
Yeah, you were like.
Oh, I didn't even realize it was in me. I got a multitask. That's 2K guy. I barely recognized it was in me. Oh, okay. Cunningham with the rebound. Look at
that
oh.
That could be a good rap.
E-A-O. 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 E-A-O.
What is cool with that?
And coming out of the box, cash app, cash app. Whatever that guy is saying. I can't even understand a word he's saying. You actually know the words a little bit. Like every third word, you know. That's what Kylo Ren's got to sing. He's got to sing that song.
I got the mojo deals to become like the 80s.
I'm telling you to be quiet now.
Oh. Kylo Ren, we need you to sing Roddy Ricch the Box.
I will never sell my soul.
Milwaukee's up 18 to 22.
Looks like your prediction is actually going to be nice.
So far, yeah. Dandridge. Ooh, nice little. Nice.
No, if I was ready to use
It's gotta be smooth and crisp. These guys hear me in the backyard when we're drilling all the time. Crisp. It's gotta be smooth. It's gotta be fluent. It's gotta be crisp.
Yeah.
Woo. Oh, okay. See, that's how 2K girl goes down every time.
Yeah, I bang my head.
I bang my head, and no one cares. Not when you go jumping off stuff.
I need to see a dentist.
Oh, we gotta bring in Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. I'm having so much fun with. Sorry, I sprayed it. Spray it. We gotta bring in Kareem. Oh, there it is.
Oh, it's the one that activates my you. Don't you dare do me.
Hey.
I've been with you for all the 8 years of your.
Kylo, we love you, but we gotta bring in. You can stay with us. Hey, man, we ain't trying to say you gotta go. You can stay here, but we gotta bring in Kareem Abdul-Jabbar to be here with you. Is that okay? Thank you, Kylo Ren. Thank you very much.
Hey!
Oh,
we all
man.
have scored.
I was starting to get worried. Whoa, what is in my face? I was starting to get worried. I was watching the game and playing in the game, and I noticed we were tied.
You got money?
Nope, no money, man. Broke.
You got money? I'll give you the password to my safe. Yeah, you better. My password is. Which one comes from the
Ooh. All right, so we're up 30-24.
How's the game going?
I feel good about the game. I mean, it was getting a little crazy before, but now we're up 30-24. You all right? You stabbed me again for the 15th time. Yeah, I was getting worried about the game, but it got a little crazy. I'm happy that we got a little bit of a lead here, a little bit of a cushion. Okay. 2 arms sliced off for Kareem Abdul-Jabbar.
If you didn't know.
Hey, that's the only way they're gonna beat me in this game if they cut my arms off, because I'm killing it.
Okay.
30-24-5.
Kareem, tell us about how many points you scored over the years.
Oh man, as y'all may know, I got 38,000 plus points. I'm the all-time leader skier. Oh, almost a nasty buzzer beater from like 3/4 out. But yeah, I got 38,000 points. I'm one of the all-time leader scorers. It's good, but I know LeBron is chasing me.
Well, you do have a lot of rings. Do you think you could lend Charles Barkley one?
Oh, Charles, I don't know about that, man. Lending rings.
Hey! I didn't want no ring out! I need a ring!
Come on, Charles, with your begging self, man. I ain't got no rings for you, man. Go earn a ring, Charles. Go get a ring somewhere else.
I can't. I'm retired.
Well, I'm retired too, Charles, man. You always begging for rings.
Give me a ring.
Get out of here, Charles. Get out of here, Charles.
Give me a ring.
Go get a ring somewhere else. Go get a ring somewhere else. Charles ain't got no ring.
I'll go to LeBron James Payne.
All right, see you later.
Gosh, that guy looks big.
That was crazy. He's always begging me for rings. Milwaukee's up 32-26, 4:32 left to go. Okay, and Kylo is about to stab me again in the head. Kylo, I'll tell you right now, I'm getting wheezy.
Well, Kareem, you have the most points ever at 38,387 scored in the NBA. LeBron has 34,087. Do you think he will pass you?
More than likely. He's been playing longer. He's playing more games, so he's gonna probably pass me. But I'm gonna tell you right now.
What did you say?
Oh, hey, what's up, LeBron? I know you're gonna pass me. All right, I feel you.
Kareem, Jordan, LeBron. All have sneakers. We found yours online. Straight fire.
Yeah, I like those. They're bringing them back. Yeah, those on the TV, those are some cheap Adidas. But those right there, those are fire.
Oh, let me
Adidas.
say something.
My Adidas. Dancing on the Oh, yes they are. Okay, buddy, what are you doing?
You have sneakers?
You're like a mental.
You have sneakers? I didn't know. You're going to sell them on your merch, KyloRen.merch.com.
Okay. Kareem is saying break this up. Go back to your respective corners.
He's killing me.
Go back to your respective corners. I'm leaving. I'm about to leave.
Any final
I'm
thoughts?
about to leave. Go back to your respective corners.
KyloRen, I'm just going to hold you down.
No, back to your respective corners.
Any final thoughts in the game?
I feel that the Milwaukee Bucks are definitely going to win this game, and we're going to make a run and win the whole thing going forward. All right? I feel good. Hey, we need to get Kylo Ren to put 2K Boy in check, though.
We need to get KyloRen to take...
I'm getting out of here. I will see you guys later. Uh-oh. What happened? I thought we were going to bring Kylo Ren back. No Kylo? Oh my god.
I said, oh my gosh.
I don't even know what that was about. I don't know what that was about. It's gonna be like on people watch. Oh my god. I don't want to say this.
Hey, I got Kylo back. Yeah, but I got Blevins too, buddy boy.
It's upside down. Isn't
No,
it?
it's not.
No.
Yeah, that's upside down. I think so.
It was like...
Where is this from anyway? I don't remember this one.
I got it for Christmas.
Oh my gosh, somebody's buying you that stuff for Christmas.
Oh, no.
38-30, 40-30, and looks like Spurs call timeout.
We're right.
Yep. Look, I got 2 predictions right in a row. Buddy. Keep Kylo. Okay. Kylo, keep your hands to yourself. Keep your hands to yourself, Kylo.
I would just choke you to death.
Oh, you probably can.
I'm not.
What is going on here?
I'm not choking all the way
Oh my gosh. This is gonna be a wild episode. You guys are gonna have like no friends when you go back to school. 0 friends. Friends, goodbye. No more hi. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye.
Oh my gosh, you better bleep out all the names I'm about to say.
Oh my gosh. I'm not bleeping anything, so don't say any names.
Well, you know, all my friends, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. I'm gonna have friends after this. They all
course you will.
They all know I'm weird.
Of course you have friends.
You guys all know I'm weird, you know. Especially 2K friend that came on the show a few episodes ago. You know, she knows I'm weird. So, you know, they know that we're a weird family. So, you know.
What do you think about this game, 2K Boy? / Kylo Ren? Okay. Is that Oscar Robinson on fire? Who's number 40? I think it's Oscar. Oh.
Number 14 is Oscar.
Oh, no, that's Dandridge.
I mean, number 1 is Oscar.
No, number 1 is Oscar. They got a bunch of guys. Oscar's on fire, too. Ooh, Kareem. Oh, Kareem. Is Kareem scoring his own basket? Oh, that was Marcus Aldridge. Make sure we play that.
Right there.
Milwaukee up 40-32. Another timeout by the Spurs. This is going to probably be one of their last few timeouts.
This is one of the best controllers we have because it's Michael Jordan.
Let me see.
Kareem Abdul-Jabbar.
Yeah, it is one of our best
Kareem
controllers.
Abdul-Jabbar is a player game.
I wonder if they got a LeBron James.
They do.
They do?
Kareem Abdul-Jabbar is a player of the game.
Oh, they gave it to Kareem? Oh, we got to check out his stats at the end because he's killing it. Kareem again. Look at that afro and them sideburns. Kareem's like, Kareem. Kylo Ren, I guess his contract only requires him to be here for part of the episode, so he took off.
We need to. Next episode, we're making a contract, and you're gonna see him
He
sign
didn't
it.
sign it because he like takes off.
Next episode, we are making a
I mean, like
contract.
who walks off there? You
I'm
can show.
making a contract, people. I'm printing it out and I'm stamping it.
I'm like stuck in this seat. Oh, he had to wear up to get some props. Are you gonna merch that too?
Yeah,
got it, you
guys,
got it.
we're
You
selling
got
our
it,
only
you
shoes
got it.
on merch.com.
I'll probably get arrested if I do this.
106 left. Bucks are up 44.
Let me wear them to see how
34.
powerful they feel.
Okay. Well, why were you? What's going on here?
Looks ridiculous.
With one shoe, yeah, I would say so.
He just had to come show off his shoes that he got today.
Oh. They're like high tops.
Yeah.
Like really high.
Like what
like
I used
high tops.
what I used to wear. High tops above the ankle, no mids, no lows.
Let's see if my dad's
No.
shoes are small enough to fit a 7 size
I doubt
shoe.
it. No, I can't fit it. Go ahead, try it.
Your foot look really small.
Haha, yeah, right. Not a chance.
Wait.
Oh, Adidas galore. Those look like Kareem's.
Because they are Kareem's.
Yeah, those are like Kareem's Adidas.
They are.
Check them out. Wait, check them out. Hey, if you think those look like Kareem's, like our video. 'Cause we can't comment.
Wait, what? Does this have a sign? It has the Adidas sign on the back.
Yeah.
The same as.
Yeah.
But these are better. These are better. Kobe's. These
Murray
Kobe's, though. These are
misses.
Kobe's.
Kareem. 3, 2, 1.
What do you like to have?
Of course.
What do you like to have?
If I was size 7, yeah. Bucks moving on,
Well,
taking out
you
the
know,
Spurs.
we're gonna bring some let's have a party.
46-36, give us the party.
I'm back.
Oh boy. Yeah! 2 predictions right in a row.
Let's
Oh,
go.
Oscar Robinson with the
Let's
40 and 2. Kareem with the 12 points and 13
Let's
rebounds. Get it done, 2K awesome. Get it done, 2K awesome. We are just trying to be awesome for you. Signing out. Episode
I know what?
18. We out.
I'm holding a